Welcome everyone, today I want to talk about pen and color combinations in Archicad. You will find the combinations down here in the quick options toolbar, or you can just go to document, pen sets, pens and colors. Here you can see all available pen sets. If you want to edit a pen set, you can watch the very first video of this video series. But now we just want to switch between different pen sets. But why should we do that? I've chosen one practical example to show you what it could be good for. And it's the typical AutoCAD pen setting. If you do not work with true line weight, you don't really see how thick the lines in your drawings are. In this case, it could be useful to display your different line weights in different colors. Let's take a look at these lines here. Here we have all different black lines of my original pen set. 0.13, 0.18, 0.25, 0.35, 0.50, 0.80, 1mm and 2mm. And what I want to achieve is that I want every different type to be displayed in a specific color, but without the true line weight. To do that, I just need to know the positions of the pens in my pen set. And in this case, it's very simple. It's 1 to 8. You can see the number of the position here. So we need a new pen set with colors on the same positions. You can see that there is no new button on the top. To create a new pen set, you just start to change anything inside an existing pen set and it automatically will be named custom. But the original one is still there, so don't hesitate to make changes. I choose a light orange maybe as my thinnest line and go over to a dark blue as my thickest line, and I try to choose darker colors for thicker lines because it's just logical. Now that we're finished, it's very important to save the new pen set before closing the window. Click on Store As and give it a new name, or you can also overwrite existing pen sets here. And now you can clearly see the different colors, and I could go work on knowing which line I used. That's just an example. You could also align different colors to different building parts, so you can easily see which edge refers to which part in the ground plan or in the floor plan. Maybe you have a slab in red and you have walls in green or something, and you always know the line refers to this and that building part. That's just another example, but think for yourselves, you will find some logical way to use different pen sets. I hope you learned something, and please leave a like if you think this was helpful, or leave a comment down below in the comment section. And until next time, have a great day and stay creative.